What's good, everyone? Welcome back to my mini academy. This is day 25, and today we are going to get funded, guys. I'm going to teach you guys how to get funded as fast as possible and keep the funded account for as long as possible. Okay, so we're gonna get started right away. I have a bunch of text on the screen right now. Don't read it. I'm actually gonna hide it. Um, because I want to say this first. Only buy 50Ks, okay? Anything over 50K, like the 100K, 150K, 250K from Apex or even Topstep, they're all harder to pass. And by harder, I just mean that it's tougher to keep those rules forever. You're gonna blow it at some point. It's normal, and it's hard to keep with the rules, especially with the trailing drawdown, where like there's some of the accounts that you could get that, let's say you're at 50K, and during the trade you go to 52K. Well, now your trailing drawdown just went up 2,000, so your maximum daily loss is only at 49,500. So if you drop back down to 49,500, even though you never close a trade, you're still not gonna get out in the funded account. So that being said, let's start with the while not funded yet, okay? So while you're not funded, I want you guys to go with aggressive risk. Get used to seeing big numbers. Uh, it's normal if you blow one, okay, or two. Don't be like me though. I blew like 10 or 15 before I even started passing because it was all the strategy and stuff, but not strategy, mental and risk management and stuff. But I'm giving you guys a risk management now. The strategy is up to you guys though. Okay, well, in the next lesson I'm gonna help you guys make a strategy, but you get it. So while not funded yet, I want you guys to risk $750, okay? So why is that? Because if you get a 1 to 2R, you're gonna have half the trade pass already, okay? You only need 2 trades to pass. You only trade A plus setups, okay? Whatever your A plus setups are, if it's a liquidity sweep, displacement, market structure shift, pull back to the to OTE or Q, SMT, anything you want, all of it has to go, okay? And align yourself with time if possible. So what I'm trying to say is that I need you guys to take the best setups possible, okay? This is 2 to 3 trades weekly. Okay, there's not gonna be that many more A plus plus opportunities. Okay, and I want you guys to take 1 trade per day max. Even if there's 2 A plus setups that show up in the day, if you took and you took a L or you took a BE or you took a TP, I don't care. You take 1 trade a day. This is where you guys test your how profitable you guys can be. This is where you test your ability to hold back a little bit. Okay, because you don't want to go too crazy. Once you get funded, I want you guys to use low risk, okay? 0.5 to 1%. It's $250 to $500. Normal risk management strategy with whatever you do if you had it on your demo or your live account, okay? Um, 1 to 2 trades per day. Only one loss though. If you lose the first trade, you're done for the day. All right. One RR is enough for payouts. I wrote that so that you guys are aware, okay? But don't cut trades short because of that. And be careful of trailing drawdowns, but 1 RR is enough. So if at 1 RR you don't like the action, get out. Okay, it's still 500 bucks in your pocket, and you can start stacking the fundeds too. Okay, once you have 5 fundeds, 1 RR is $2,500. Okay, um, build a cushion. All right, trailing stops 25 to $3,000 in profit, depending on who you're with and stuff. So once you reach like 54,000 in the account, you can start taking some profits, take a band or something, and then you can start building it up again. Take 2 bands when you're at 55, but keep it above 54,000. This is how I've been keeping my funders for so long, being so safe. Okay. Now, with that being said, guys, what I'm trying to say is that in the evaluation phase, you employ a calculated, aggressive strategy to meet profit targets swiftly, okay? You want to ensure that you adhere to the platform rules as well. Okay, that means don't go over half the account's money in on top step. That means don't make a $1,500 trade, make a $1,400 trade instead of, you know? Once you're in the funded phase, transition to a conservative approach focusing on capital preservation and consistent profitability, okay? That just means don't be an idiot, alright? And in your discipline, you need to maintain strict adherence to your trading plan, okay? Risk management rules to ensure long-term success is important. You guys need to understand these, okay? So, yeah. On that note, guys, I think that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.